If you're wondering how loud this Altkin space heater can get, we're going to do a sound test right now. So we're going to power this on. You're on H1 right now. H2. H3. Not really a sound difference between that. So let's get this. Turn up. No sound difference. Our fan setting. And nothing changes. So it's a very, very, very quiet space heater, which is a good thing. You don't want this keeping you up at night or causing chaos throughout the day when you're trying to relax. So if you're looking for a quiet space heater, this is the one. Let's turn on the oscillation feature as well. Same volume level. Absolutely amazing.